everybody, your attention, everyone. We have this.
Well, this one is just smoke, Aiden.
Okay, but anyway. Oh God.
Dog should not be here.
Peps? No. I'll put this on YouTube, Dad, so I'll hide your face. Don't worry. Can I flame it? Let me burn it. Here, hold the video, and just okay.
Hold on.
Oh, this one's very hard to do. There you go. Run! I got it. Produce smoke time. Oh yeah, this one's colored. Whee! Oh. That actually smells. Go into Luis's yard.
Alright, let me light up this one. I'm gonna light it up.
Light up, Dad.
The orange one.
Oh shoot! It's so small.
Don't get too close, bud.
Well, but you guys are gonna go in. Here's what it's like. Oh, I'm going in now. Ah!
Alright, this is just smoke one.
Dad, are you fine if your face does appear in this?
No.
It's gonna be on YouTube anyway.
Yeah, no faces.
I tried to hide your face, Dad, but if it... Wait, you already are on YouTube.
I'll just film it for you from a distance.
Yeah, film it for me. Don't just... Film it when I light the thing and put it above me. It's fine if my face is shown.
Alright. Run. Are we going out front?
Yeah, we're going out front. I'm grabbing Chicky. I'll grab the lighter. Oh, the ladybugs. Yes, we're doing the ladybugs first. I don't care what you say.
Just do stuff for a second, buddy. We're doing it, yes. I'm guessing we're doing it.
Let's go. Hey, Pep, sorry. You might want to cover your ears. Go under the bed. Cover your face. Turn around. Okay, there.
Well, Aiden, don't be filming right now.
No, it's filming for Hattie and also for YouTube.
But you don't have to film it right this second. Nothing needs to be filming. It's too long.
No, I need to film the fireworks.
Alright, so what are we doing? The ladybug first?
Duh, of course. Mom, I want you to hold this, and film me. Make sure Dad's face doesn't get it. Just film me. Hello, I don't mind me having my shirt on. I just want.
Okay, you want to put a shirt on?
No, it's fine.
Aiden, don't be filming right now.
No, Mom, stop. No. No,
This is
it's
normal.
starting.
Yes, on the grass. There's no sound.
Anyway, so ladybug. Can I light the ladybug?
No, I'm gonna light this one up.
Okay, fine. But ladybug is always my favorite.
We gotta step away farther.
Oh shoot! Run! I'm gonna get it.
No, don't try to go fast. Don't fast. Don't, Aiden, don't. Fast.
Really? You sure?
Yes. Yeah.
It's hot.
Yeah, it is.
It's burning. Does it burn your fingers?
No, not right now.
Okay.
I want this. Look at this.
Oh yes, we're doing. Let's do that again. No, we have.
No, I have two
others.
more. No, these are different than last time. I know farther out. This one.
I know I'm just gonna be right here, then I'm gonna run.
Go.
I love that one.
It's good. It needs to be a little bit higher.
I know, like, we did that just in the backyard, but it sucked. Like,
So it's a little bit more visible.
I like the noise, but it just sucks.
Okay. Want to do a smoke bomb here? Blue?
Yeah, smoke bomb. Let's
Look at those.
like, why isn't there a red one? Okay, can I light it? Record me. Record it. I'll get the lighter. Hello. So do I just put it here?
Yeah.
Okay. No cars? Okay. Is it unlocked? Oh,
Yes, it's unlocked.
it's not fully though, so I won't. Run! Smoke bomb. No, wait. Hold it. Oh my god, it's so cool. Woo!
Okay.
Yeah.
Try this. The other one's gonna shoot really, really far. Like a real firework.
What's that?
We don't start a tree on fire.
Yeah, like we would. Don't worry, your face isn't showing. It's under the face. It just shows neck, Mom. Only neck and under is what it showed. Dad's face up here. Barely. Only twice.
Alright, I'm not really sure what this will be. So let's see.
Where's that?
Alright.
Can I?
No, I'm gonna light this one because I don't know about what it is.
Okay.
Round.
Oh, that's so.
Parachute!
It's a parachute kind. Oh no! It's in our neighbor's yard. I got it.
Hey, what kind of parachute is that?
Very cheap one.
Well, yeah.
It looks red on the camera, which I wish it was
what's
red,
on the
but
bottom?
it's pink. What, a pork thing?
Oh, so it's nothing. It's just. But that was pretty cool.
That was. If only the viewers, you guys, could see that when it sparked red, like that was cool. I didn't have
Well,
enough
this one
time.
I think gonna be green
Why?
because I see green right here, so I'm assuming.
Wasn't the other one just blue?
No, that was red, so it said red. Okay.
Guys, can I do that one?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna be recording, Nathan.
Mom, could you hold this while I light it? Please just show me. I'll ask for it back in a second. Don't show Dad's face. Dad, can I light it? Might want to move. It's recording. Dad,
Yeah, go light it.
move. It's recording. Okay, just hold it. There. Dad, just move more to the left.
Hold on. Hold on.
Mom.
Right here.
Okay, Mom, move it over here. Dad, move. Mom, in the camera, does it show here? Show me. Okay. It's not fully
Yes,
unlocked.
yes. It's unlocked fully.
Is this
Go
all?
again. Yes, yes, buddy. Just do it until it lights up. Just do it. It's unlocked.
Okay. How are you doing this? How's this go okay with this?
Not in the middle.
Give me that. When you're spewing in the air.
Those are like.
Everyone, dead shit. We are back. That is apparently very dangerous, according to my dad.
Well, I don't know. It's supposed to go really, really fast. So we'll see.
Why you
So I
looking
will
up?
need you to probably move a little farther.
That was classic.
Supposed.
Okay, try again. So we have to put it, just drop it in there. Run. Oh, shit. I saw it. The camera got
Wow,
also.
that's like a real fireworks. Those are awesome.
Oh, get out of the way.
All right, so I can move it out a little bit so we can actually see it more.
Yeah.
Don't touch, Aiden. It might be really hot. Come on.
Is it?
Yeah, don't touch.
Okay. Okay, here you go, Dad.
All right. Get ready.
Did you see it?
Yeah, it was just like little glitter.
Where do I go? Right here?
Right there.
Where's it gonna go?
That way.
Okay. Oh, it's on.
See the glittering?
Oh yeah, that was pretty cool. Ready?
Right there. Come here.
I saw it. So did the camera. I know we're doing more. Okay. Oh, we're doing the green now? Cool. Run! Oh, shoot. Oh, that's cool. I'll take that back. Thank you, Mom. Oh, why is there fireflies?
Nah, you do this purple one. You do this purple one. I don't have the lighter. You get it.
Oh. Mom, could you record again?
Sure. I'm just not getting y'all's faces in it now.
I know. It's my face.
Oh, it stinks.
Buddy, come on.
Really holy. Right? The purple, the one that doesn't turn into any color.
Yeah, purple is kind of like white. Yeah, purple is just white smoke.
Well, that's all the fireworks. Happy 4th of July.